Hi there. This message is for you personally. There are two roads in the AI era at this fork, and every single leader, every single person like you and I must choose which road we are following, whether you are in government or business or educational, all of us. The first option is human replacement AI. That's where we automate the function and then we remove the human being, we lower the cost, and there are so many perceived benefits to this strategy. The logic is absolutely seductive. CFOs and boards often like it. But here is what nobody or very few people are actually telling you about where that road leads. Think about this. The intelligence of your systems grows exponentially, while the wisdom of the people leading them does not. Where will that lead to? This second road and option is what we call human advancement AI, and we are pioneering this. And this changes everything. For the first time in human history, every leader in your organization, large or small, can have their own daily 24/7 personal development partner. One that knows you or gets to know you personally very well. One that knows the industry that you're in, whether it's small business or the power industry or mining, banking, doesn't matter. It's one that will likely know your organization too. It will challenge you. It'll develop your wisdom and capability, not in an annual workshop or one-on-one coaching session monthly, but every single day, or at least more regularly than what is currently humanly possible. We are building and pioneering this human advancement AI, giving leaders, individuals like you and organizations a tangible choice. The default position is not just replacement. You can choose to use AI for personal and team and organizational development at scale, at a speed never before achieved. And we have built it specifically for certain organizations, knowing their culture, their values, everything. This leads to more confident people. You can become more confident. Wiser leaders, parents, individuals, healthier cultures, improved safety if you're in the mining environment or at Eskom, and human beings capable of leading powerful AI systems toward outcomes neither could achieve alone. That is the kind of organization worth building. That's the kind of future worth building. All you have to do is just go to mevisionacademy.com, click on the agents page, and then we call them development partners, and then choose the partner that's relevant to you, those that are active, and there will be many more that will become active. Test out the wisdom agent. It helps you find your wisdom inside of you. Click on the school one if you're a teacher or a principal or a department head. There are several that you can use to improve your wisdom and grow yourself exponentially. All the best. Bye.